Assalamualaikum everyone. How are you from PCC, Punjab Cash and Carry, which is located in Scheme 3. It's on its backside. So I took it from there and I have made this red rotor into this one winged plane. So let's start. Before starting, we have to break it so we can make this one. So let's start it. Okay guys, you can look. Most of it I have broken it. Now I will take off its wheels. Okay, that now you can see this is a very big piece. This is the biggest piece in the whole Lego set. So this shows that this is its main part, which gives support to the anything I'm making. Okay, you can see that only its upper layer is left. So I'm going to break this layer and then we will start making our this plane. Okay. This is the book. Now we will open the first page. Look, there's always a picture before starting, which shows that what are you making first. Okay, now we need to make this one. So we need to look at the picture which shows this plane. Picture it is. Look, the plane we need to make. Okay, let's start making it. First of all, it says we need this piece, this one. So let's move our things more further. Okay, let's move this instruction book here. Here is our piece, which we need at the first. Then you can see it shows that take 2 blocks and 3 block. Okay, now let's find them. Here it is. Let's see the book. Where we have to put it? We have to put it right here. That this just looks like a plane. Not fully completed, but just looks like a plane. So we need to make it. We need to make it. It looks nice. So now it says. To do that, we have to attach it here. Yeah. Now look, it gives a look that our plane is getting ready. So now what we have to do, the next step it shows is right over here of the plane. Press it and now our plane is ready. So don't forget to like, subscribe and comment on the video, and also comment that what Lego set I should use next. I mean which thing I should make the next. This one or this again. So tell me in the comments. Okay, bye bye. See you later.